The event has officially concluded. Though several guests refused to leave. Black silk tangle around my legs on the cold marble floor. Whole ruined ballroom breathing softly like it wanted one night more. Champagne dripping from the ceiling, mixed with glitter, sweat and smoke. Every chandelier above me looked exhausted and half broke. Pink sunrise through shattered windows washed gold across my skin, like the city finally calmed down after everything we'd been. High heels abandoned near the staircase, mascara running down my face. And somewhere in the silence I still felt your heartbeat in the place. And the air smelled like perfume, electric wires and rain, while the final bass line echoes still vibrated through my veins. Breathless static and sweat on the marble floor. Body's gone but the heat remains. Everybody danced too close to heaven. Now the sunrise tastes like pain. Breathless static and sweat on the marble floor. Neon ghosts inside my chest. The city finally stopped moving, but my pulse still won't rest. A crystal glass rolled slowly across the flooded ballroom tiles. Some broken socialites sleeping beneath collapsed velvet piles. Outside the skyline looked faded, like makeup after crying hard. Inside the speakers whispered softly through damaged nightclub scars. I touched the marble with trembling hands, still warm from bodies before dawn. And suddenly the whole dead ballroom felt impossible to move on from. Then somewhere far beneath the rooftop, a final siren disappeared, leaving only breathing, water drips and fear. Chrome glitter stuck to wet skin, black lace tangled in smoke. Whole damn city burned itself empty, trying not to feel broke. I seen rich girls lose themselves inside champagne and heat. Seen dangerous lovers collapse together once the bass dropped deep. You ever survive a night so intense, your body still shaking at dawn? That's love in this dead city now, beautiful after it's gone. Now Valeria lying silent with sunrise in her hair, like the ballroom itself still touching her through the humid ruined air. Breathless static and sweat on the marble floor. Body's gone but the heat remains. Everybody danced too close to heaven. Now the sunrise tastes like pain. Breathless static and sweat on the marble floor. Neon ghosts inside my chest. The city finally stopped moving, but my pulse still won't rest. Tell me, why does loneliness feel warmest after everybody leaves? Why did the silence after the party feel more intimate than the music? And why am I still breathing hard when nobody's touching me anymore? Sunrise, leaving lipstick on the with the dawn. And somewhere inside the ruined silence, Valeria smiled softly, like she already missed everything that was gone. If you love somebody tonight, I hope you survived it.